We know that you want to take care of your family, and we want to help you avoid estate planning mistakes so that you can do just that. I'm Katrina Hofstetter from Cornerstone Legal, here to share 7 estate planning mistakes with you. The first mistake is not having a plan in place at all. Without a plan, your state's laws are going to determine what happens with your assets. You truly lose the power and opportunity to provide for your family in the unique ways that it needs to be protected. You also leave yourself exposed to probate guardianship and conservatorship if you become incapacitated. The second mistake is having a DIY plan. A botched online template can really make things much harder and cost your family much more in the long run. It's important to learn about planning options, and online research and templates are not going to be tailored to your family's unique needs. The third mistake is not reviewing a plan that you've put in place. There can be many life-changing events, both big and small, that can affect your estate plan. I recommend that you review your plan every 2 to 3 years. It's important to review who you've appointed to serve as either a trustee or an agent, and also review who your beneficiaries are. The fourth mistake is not updating your plan. Reviewing your plan is a really great first step, but you might need to make updates to your planning documents depending on how those life-changing events have impacted your family or your assets. Some examples that might necessitate a change include a named trustee or agent passing away, or a change in beneficiaries. The fifth mistake is not funding your trust. When you don't fund your trust, you leave your estate and family exposed to the possibility of probate administration. Funding your trust consists of changes to your beneficiary designations, possibly changes to ownership of certain types of assets, and then assignments of business interests, and finally, changes to your deeds. The sixth estate planning mistake is not planning for your incapacity. A good estate plan is going to include incapacity planning to protect you from probate exposure during your lifetime. This includes financial and healthcare powers of attorney and provisions in your trust to provide for a successor trustee to step in if you become incapacitated. The seventh and final estate planning mistake that I'm going to share today is not using an experienced drafter. It's important to find an attorney who specializes in estate planning to ensure that you receive the best advice and the most current legal information. There are so many planning options available for you to take advantage of, and it's really important to have an expert by your side. In conclusion, it's important to have a well thought out estate plan in place, and it's just as important to revisit it along the way. Let's discuss your options to learn how you can protect and provide for your family with a robust custom estate plan without making these estate planning mistakes. Call us at 517-708-2222 or email Katrina@cornerstonelegalplc.com to start your journey today.